So today, wherever you go, whatever you do, there will be competition, there will be jealousy, people will envy you, they will try to pull you down, let you down in every way possible. There's nothing new in this. Everybody is in so much grief as because Sushant Singh Rajput died, he killed himself, or some people are saying that Bollywood killed him, whatever it is. The fact is that he had everything, he had money, he had fame, and he was even doing well in his career. Still, he could not take it, so he killed himself. I am not concerned with depression because each and every person is somewhere depressed, but everybody is not killing himself. It's just that he could not hold himself or control himself. He had that urge to kill himself, so he did. But everybody is not like him. We are surviving, we are fighting. What about the government's taking step of bringing back the laborers back to their house? The government brought them back and now they are again sending them back. I mean, what's the need? Why they had to bring them back and why they now have to send them back? This is purely a political agenda and nothing else. But what really concerns me as an advocate is that this is the only community or only profession for which none of the people have any courtesy. They are not concerned with the advocates, whether they are living or they are dying. They will come to take free advice from you and they won't pay. They will be like, you are my friend, you are my sister, whatever, blah blah, anything. What I practically feel is India doesn't need judiciary anymore. It doesn't require any advocates. I think the politicians are enough. They can handle everything. They don't need anything. Rather, the Bar Council of West Bengal, the most disgusting, backboneless organization I have ever seen. They are still discussing. They are still discussing whether they will give any financial support to the advocates or not. But this thing is not a concern for anybody because everybody think that advocates are sitting there on public's money. They are taking everybody's money and doing nothing for them. They are born rich. Whatever else you could think of, you can add. Every agenda, the dying of the suicide of a film star is an important topic. The labors are important topic. Even the beggars are getting free food, shelter, everything they are getting. But the only community of advocates who are getting nothing. And still people will call you, disturb you with silly questions. They need free advice. And I think that's all we are sitting for. And we will be doing, I think. Rather, we don't have any other work, na? People think that we have lots of money to spend. Still, I have to say that we advocates are not dying. We are not committing suicide. So, stop showing your concerns for a sick man. I also love him. I can also feel the loss. It doesn't mean that that's the only important thing to discuss right now. Laborers are the only helpless people in this whole world. Besides politics, doing politics, there are much more important things that you could do. I think it's high time that people understand the need of advocates in society, the need of advocates in judiciary, without whom the judiciary cannot run, and they at least have some courtesy, some brain. At least they get some brain to utilize. And one last thing, that I think we all advocates will be really glad if the Bar Council of West Bengal and the government of West Bengal does at least something for them. We deserve that.